So today I'm just going to do a quick product review of this new product that I've bought by Astonish. It's the Cup Clean, and it promises to restore cups to like new. Here's a couple of our cups. We do have a dishwasher, so they're not overly stained, but we've noticed recently it's not been clearing the tea stains as well. So clean a couple of those, and then also we've got like a tea spoon rest which has got a bit stained as well, so I'm going to have a go at that. So all you do is add half a tablespoon of the Astonish Cup Clean to a dry cup. So that's what it's like, just a plain white powder. And I'm just going to do half of that into the little thing there, and then fill the cups with hot, near boiling water. So I boiled this about 5 minutes ago. It says to either do it in a sink or on your draining board, because the reaction can be quite vigorous. As you can see, we've got some bubbles, and then what I've got to do is just leave that for a couple of hours. So it's now a couple of hours later. Because they weren't overly stained, I've only left them for about an hour and a half. So I'm just going to wash them out and I'll show you what they look like. Really pleased with how those have turned out. As I said, ours weren't overly soiled anyway. So what it says to do is if you don't get all of the stains out, you just repeat the process again. But for me, I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10 because it's got rid of everything I wanted it to. Yeah, really pleased with that. So that's the product again. It was £1.99 from Home Bargains, and it definitely gets a thumbs up from me. Thanks for watching, and drop me a comment down below to let me know if you try this after seeing my review and how successful it is for you. Bye for now.